Welcome. In front of me is a ZTE Blade A71, and today I will show you how you can enable and also set up your Do Not Disturb mode. So to get started, let's pull down our notifications, extend the list, and find the Do Not Disturb toggle, which for me it is right here at the bottom. As you can see, a moon icon also is labeled, so it should be easy to find. Once you locate it, first time around, I recommend holding it. This will quickly take you to the settings where you can customize how the mode actually functions. So some of the options here that are worth mentioning would be options like schedules. Once pressed, it gives you, I believe usually it just gives you one called the sleeping. They will basically all be turned off by default, but you can turn them on if you wanted to. To do so, simply click on the gear icon and then enable it from here. Additionally, when you click on the gear icon, you can customize it to fit your needs more precisely. So for instance, you can change the start and end time, also change the days of the week that it works during. And obviously, if you want to, you can create multiple Do Not Disturb mode schedules and have them all run at the different times, different starting time, end time, along with different days of the week. You can create multiple here. Like I mentioned, if you're planning to use a schedule, just make sure that it's toggled on in here, and that's all you gotta do, at least for the schedule. Now going back to a couple additional options that we have access to, we have duration, just allows you to select what happens when you physically toggle it on. And then we have things like people, which allows you to select who can call you or message you. Then we have apps and alarms and other interruptions, just options for interruptions in general. And then display options for hidden notifications, such as options on or for notifications in general. So once you have gone through the settings right here and customize them to your liking, you don't ever have to come back here again, unless you maybe just want to turn off some schedule. But for everybody else who will be using this manually, all you would do is find the toggle, tap on it, this will turn it on, and once you're done with it, you can tap on it again to turn it off. One more thing that I'll add as just like a bonus is if you're the type of person that tends to forget about certain things being enabled on your phone, you could go back to the settings right here. I changed the duration for quick settings to be, for instance, something like 8 hours right here. Press OK. And what this will do is every time you tap on it physically, even if you forget to turn it off, it will automatically turn off after 8 hours of running. And I believe 8 hours should be plenty enough time to finish whatever reason you had to turn it on. So like I said, even if you forget it, the device will turn it off for you and you don't have to worry about it too much. And the reason I'm mentioning this is because if you don't turn it off, obviously whatever you have selected, for instance for calls and messages, this will be enabled indefinitely at that point or till you turn it off. So if you forget it, it's just going to be running there in the background for the entire time, possibly rejecting calls, messages, and so on. So anyway, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.